I've found it, the best teleprompter app for your smartphone, web, Android, iPhone, and iPad apps. Optimal text positioning so it doesn't look like you're reading. And this app packs so many incredible features like captioning, highlighting captioned words, logos, titling, music, trimming in-app, auto crop to square for social media videos, background replacement with a green screen, and an amazing community to learn from and promote your content to. I'm going to show you everything I love about it right now. Stay with me. I'm Phil Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I share practical advice to build your brand. Today I'm in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico, and I'm talking all about my new favorite teleprompter app for your smartphone. It's called BigView, and it is really great. I will show you. BigView allows me to record videos while simultaneously using a teleprompter on your mobile device or computer. In this case, I'm using it on my phone. This eliminates the need for a separate device to house a prompter for a tablet, for example. You can easily adjust the teleprompter text size, speed, and position. You can also write or upload scripts and repurpose them later as subtitles, which I'll show you in a minute. You can also let the prompter pause automatically based on how you read. It's a setting called Pause on Silence. Turn it on under Settings to try it. It's really cool. I'll show you right now. This is a sample script just to show you BigView in action. If I decided to pause like this, notice how the actual script pauses. It's really cool. No need to worry about the pause and start button. I absolutely love it. After you've recorded your take, you can edit the script or title. You can use word trim, which is such a cool feature. After a quick moment while it analyzes your take, you can select a word that you want to start and end. The software matches the word with your delivery and trims accordingly. You can also style the video with or without captions. For this example, I'll use captions so you can see them. Resize in a single click. Add your logo if you want it. Add music, add an intro or outro, and edit your captions if needed. Also, automatically or auto crop to square for social media videos, which are really important for maximizing real estate. Also, background replacement with a green screen. It's really incredible how many features are packed into this app. So how might you use BigView? I'll give you a few ideas. It can give your website a human touch by adding a vlog page or embedding a widget onto one of your existing pages. It's been said that eye-to-eye contact is the best way to build trust, especially online. And this is definitely the easiest and least stressful way to pull that off. Now, just a few more features that I think make this app really unique from others. Within the app itself, there's a vibrant community. That's what you get when you have over 5 million users, which is so incredible. Click the light bulb icon at the bottom, which takes you to the live workshops that BigView often presents. Stay tuned. You might notice a familiar face in the workshop lineup. BigView users can also get and create collections, interactive and shoppable videos that can increase engagement and viewing time. You can display in-sync cards with photos, with links, quotes, tweets, embeds, or polls. I really love that you can embed these on a website. Collections are awesome and useful for a lot of creators that are aiming to engage with their audience in a new, exciting way. So much of BigView is awesome. It really is way more than just a teleprompter app. It's a one-stop shop for prompter delivery videos with editing, captions, and even opportunities for learning. You have to check out this app. I've linked to it below. If you have any questions about it, put those in the comments. We can keep the conversation going on down there. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which I work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Thanks, BigView, for partnering with me to create this video. Next, I'm sharing through a few videos that I think you'll be interested in. I'm Phil Pallen. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.